Hi everyone. Today Priya and I are here to do a role play, OET Speaking role play, and in this our setting is going to be an emergency department and the patient is an angry patient. So let's see how we can tackle the situation. This is the recording for the Occupational English test. The test is held at Medcity International Academy, Kannur on 26th July 2021. The candidate name is Priya, candidate number is 62371. The interlocutor is Jitesh and interlocutor number is 12345. The role play number 1, profession nursing. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I see your identification number please? Thank you. So this is the test of your English language, not your professional knowledge. So speak naturally. This is your role play card, Priya, and I can give you a piece of paper and a pen. In case if you need to make any notes, you can do that. Your time starts now. So Priya, your 3 minutes preparation has completed. Now let's start the speaking. Your time for speaking is going to be for 5 minutes and your time starts now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm the nurse in charge of this emergency department. You can call me Priya. For my documentation purpose, could you please tell me your name?
Sure. My name is David.
Well, David, you look a bit disturbed. May I know the reason behind it?
Yeah, to be frank, I'm disturbed, I'm irritated, and I'm completely disappointed with your hospital management because I've been waiting here for around an hour right in front of the emergency department and nobody turned up to me. So I'm completely disappointed with your hospital and management.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, David. But before proceeding further, let me ask you a few questions, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay, so David, you said you have been waiting here for an hour. So exactly, could you tell me at what time did you reach the hospital and…
See, I don't know. See, I just came after meeting with an accident. My friend John and I met with an accident a couple of hours ago. And right from that accident, we came to your hospital and we've been waiting here for a very long time, all right? Precisely an hour. It doesn't matter, 1 hour, half an hour, but I've been waiting here. And my condition seems really bad, isn't it? You guys really don't care. That's pretty sad from your hospital side.
Okay, David, I apologize for the inconvenience caused. Okay, so could you please explain what accident was it and when did it happen?
Right, see, like I said, accident happened a couple of hours ago and my friend and I, we were on a bike and we were riding pretty fast.
Okay, so…
a car which came from behind crashed on our bike and I fell down on the roadside. Like a couple of hours ago and we both were fine.
Okay.
But we have some abrasions and bruises all over us and I can feel the pain all over my body. So I really didn't know what to do. Directly came here and you guys did not bother to attend us.
Okay, so David, could you please tell me your friend's name and where is he?
John is waiting outside.
Okay, so let me examine yourself, David.
Yeah.
Okay, may I examine?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so it looks like you have mild abrasions and swelling on your arms as well as forehead. I think there's nothing to be worried about it. Okay, so let me tell you, David, that the emergency department is so busy right now because we had a critically ill patient with an accident, with a major accident actually.
Right.
So the doctors and the emergency department staff have been trying to rescue, to to save the patient. So that's the reason why no one could attend you earlier. So I really apologize for the inconvenience, and now let me take care of you. Okay, before the doctor arrive, let me clean your injuries, and I can provide dressing as well as I can give you some ice packs and make you comfortable. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, that's absolutely all right, but make sure that I'm not going to have to wait for another 1 hour before the doctor comes. I really want the doctor to come and attend us in like 10 minutes.
No, okay, I promise you that the doctor will be here in less than 10 minutes and will do the necessary things that's required. Okay,
Right.
so before okay, so I would like to ask you certain more questions regarding to your health and your overall status. Okay, so are you allergic to any medication, David?
No.
Okay, so do you have any medical history, like any medical conditions like hypertension or diabetes?
Not really, no.
Okay, so are you on any medication?
No.
Okay, so thank you for the information. And okay, so now right now I'll be doing a dressing for your injured arms. Okay,
Yeah.
and the wound looks mild. It looks like a mild injury. Okay, so there's nothing to be worried.
Yeah, do I have any broken bones or something? Because
No, it doesn't
it hurts.
look, no, yeah, I know it will be painful in the beginning, but it will subside soon. I don't think there is a fracture, and there's no need for an x-ray to be done. It's just abrasions and bruises, that's all. Okay, but let the doctor come and see you, and if it is needed, actually we'll do an x-ray to rule out any fracture. Will that be fine?
Yeah, that's absolutely all right. And please take a look at my friend John as well, and make sure he's all right. I'm really concerned about him as well.
Okay, definitely I'll be taking care of.
So your time is done now. Thank you so much.
Medcity International Academy. Trusted hands forever.